Coinbase is the largest crypto exchange in the United States, and they're currently seeing a massive inflow of new users. Crypto prices have been going parabolic ever since the US election took place. So if you're looking to get in on this, Coinbase has a crazy bonus offer for a very short time. All you have to do is sign up for a new Coinbase account using my link on screen or down in the description below, and then place your first trade. And then within 48 hours, Coinbase is going to give you $50 in free Bitcoin. Make sure you use my link to get this bonus and to see if the promotion is still active, and if it's not, there's most likely going to be another promotion in place. Coinbase is pretty much like the Robinhood of crypto investing when it comes to the platform and overall user experience. It's extremely easy to use, and many people who are just getting started in the world of crypto investing do so with Coinbase. Coinbase is also a massive publicly traded company now with a market value of about $70 billion. Over 150 different tokens can be traded through the Coinbase app or desktop platform. In addition, if you want self-custody of your cryptocurrencies, the Coinbase wallet is available as a separate app. Storing your cryptocurrencies on exchange does come with some risks, but Coinbase does have certain types of insurance in place against theft. That's why many crypto investors will use a wallet such as the Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or perhaps something else. In addition, Coinbase also has some other cool features like Coinbase Earn, where you can get up to 12% APY by staking your tokens. They also offer Coinbase Learn, which is where you can complete short learning modules and earn free crypto rewards in the process. So be sure to use my link down below to see if the free $50 Bitcoin bonus is still available, and I'll also include my Coinbase tutorial in the corner.